No, trust me, I know what I'm doing. No, nobody spawned in. Nobody spawned in.
Game chat.
No, no.
Game chat?
Obviously, they're not going to start first map, so I'm sending a message right now telling them to start first map. While I'm recording, I'll go straight to YouTube, get the proof if it's going to get canceled.
You guys need to talk louder, like straight up. You guys know whoever scheduled the match, so like you scheduled for 6 o'clock. Tell me you scheduled for 6 o'clock, nigga. What? Sitting here fucking thought you guys were in the game. What?
We were telling you we weren't in the game the whole time, but you were so busy talking about them. I literally said, Specialized, did you get an invite? You said no. I said, did you get an invite? You said no. And that's when you talk about the university and all that. And then you were in the game the whole time, and we're like, where's the invite? You guys didn't get an invite? We just said we didn't get an invite. And then you invited us at 416 to say, why you guys not in here? When you were in the game the whole time and didn't invite us. Yeah, I got it, bro. Yeah, we can back out now.